Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again. Let's try this another time here. I don't know why I don't want to hit the transition option here to move the video from preview to actual recording so you can see me instead of just hearing me. But that's okay. That's about the third or fourth time we've done this, so it's okay. No big deal. Today is 12/18 of 2020. This is a follow-up video of the Total Gym that I got about 30 days ago. It's been about 30 days ago since I got the machine. I've been using it a little bit, probably like every other day. I've been working out a little bit on it. Um, I can tell a little difference in my usage already. If you guys so wish me to start recording that and maybe broadcasting it to my workouts, let me know. Um, I'm not the best workout person yet. It does take some time for your strength to build up. So if you want to see me grunt and go on there, just go ahead and say, yeah, I need a good life for the day. Go ahead and start my morning out with a good life and watch me work out or something. So let's go ahead and go to the website here. Take me off here. And this is the actual Total Gym that I got. Of course, you can see here it is out of stock. This is the one that has Chuck's signature on it. And of course, this is the one that comes with the free ab crunch attachment. It says it's supposed to have a DVD with it, but for some reason mine didn't come with that. I don't know if it fell out of the box or something, but it ain't no big deal about that because usually I've been doing the videos online anyway. I've been using the Total Gym TV app for the Roku. There are quite a few number of free videos on there. Guarantee if you work out any of those, yes, it will work you out. And then there's some specialized videos if you want to target certain parts of your body. Then you have to subscribe to that part of the channel. And they do have a Pilates workout in case you are into Pilates. This is all the attachments that come with it. It does come with the Pilates with the ankle attachments for your wrap around your ankles and stuff to hook the rope to. Comes with that. Here's your crunch attachment, and here's your pull up and sit up bar. Here's your squat stand. There are other attachments for this. There's another bar you can put down here on the bottom, and there's also a cycle attachment you can put on here. You can take this. This just lifts right off. Attachment, cycle attachment fits on any of these machines. These Total Gym machines. Don't have to be certain ones. It fits all of them. As I understood, it fits every single one of them. It just goes on there, and you can just pedal up a storm if you're really wanting some good hard cardio. From what I've been reading on that, the cycle machine will give you some good hard cardio. I'm 6'2", so if you're my height, this machine will fit you. Like I said, the Chuck Norris one is gone, but you can get the regular series. You can get the regular Total Fit Gym without the signature. They do have it. As far as I know of, it's in stock. I did get the trial period on this one. I did do the dollar down, and I paid the taxes on it, and then they sent it to me. Of course, if you're in these two little states here, they will have to charge you shipping and handling for that. And it breaks it down into 8 payments. You can see 146.43. This is exactly what I paid for my machine. Of course, at any time you can pay that in full. Just say pay it in full, and you can pay it in full. So let's go ahead and go to the unboxing video. But when you get a chance, go ahead and go to the TotalGymDirect.com website and browse it, and you can look around for yourself and check things out. And as also a reminder, if you want me to continue the workout series on this and post it online, do please let me know below. Let's go ahead and go into the unboxing. As you can see here, for some reason, I don't know why, this particular UPS man delivered this machine with both ends open. I don't understand that. If it was something happened during shipping or something, but First I can tell there wasn't nothing wrong with it. I didn't see any damage to the box or anything except for the ends being open. Only cosmetic thing that I did have an issue with, which really wasn't an issue, is one of the cups that goes over the tubes on the bottom of the machine next to the head end of the machine was busted, which this is a cosmetic thing. Doesn't in any shape, form, or fashion interfere with the machine's function. And of course, you can go to the Total Gym website and get those replacements for those if you so happen to break yours later on. But it's not no big deal. So the machine works fine without it. So it's just a keep it pretty. But I may order it later on. But as of right now, it's not no big deal. You can see me here unwrapping the machine. Just one thing I can say about this company is they wrap these really, really well. Um, if you think you're not going to keep the machine past your 30-day trial, you need to keep the box because it needs to be returned in the box to them. I did not keep the box because I know for a fact that I'm not going to send this machine back. Of course, if there's something wrong with it and it had a bunch of damage to it, I would have called them and then I probably would have sent it back. But what I've seen so far, I hadn't seen any damage, so I said, hey, let's go ahead and unwrap her. But now they really, really do wrap the machines up when you get them. They are, as you can see here, there's unwrappings everywhere. Easiest way for me to tell you how this machine opens up. If you can open up or close up an ironing board, you can set this machine up. It's that simple. And like I said, it took me more time to get it out of the box and unwrapped than it did to set up. So, that tells you right there how quick and easy the machine is to set up. And once you get it laid out on the floor and everything, if you want to put it, down and put it back up, you can. You can hide it under put it under the bed or whatever. But so far, I'm leaving mine set up in the living room. It's going to be in the living room at all times set up. That way, if I get on it and go without having to fight and get it out and set it up, I can just get on it and go and work out. You do have some various pins you got to pull. They will self-lock in place. There's one for the column to raise it up to lock it in upright. And you've got a safety pin you got to pull and another pin to pull to raise the column up. You can see here I'm raising the column up now. And there's a safety pin off to the side here. You see me put it in here a second. There's the safety pin there. It goes into another hole. That way, in case someone's being cute and comes through and pulls your other knob out, you won't go kablunk to the floor. And everything comes fully assembled. All your pulleys is ready to go. Some exercises you would unhook the pulley from the board, your glide board, and you can use it without it, and so that you will. Here's an overall quick view of the machine. There's your training deck, has all your exercise in it. You also comes with a wall poster. And there's the certificate from Mr. Norris there. And so far, I am really, really enjoying the machine. And if you guys do get one or whatever, have got one, get it out, take the dust off of it, and start using it. And if you guys want to work out together, shoot me a comment below. And as always, have a wonderful day.